Good morning, my boo. What's up? Today we're going to learn how to tell when a cantaloupe is ripe. It is so important that we know when our fruit is ripe because then not only will it taste better, it will have more nutrients, and most importantly, we're not going to want to eat crap, okay? If you are craving sugar, processed sugar, crap, junk food, if you're craving processed sugar, you're not eating enough fruit. If you're craving salt, you're not eating enough greens. Now, with the fruit, it's got to taste really, really good. So the way you tell when a cantaloupe is ripe, this one on the left is ripe. It's right and it's ripe. This one on the right is wrong. It's not ready yet. Not yet. Almost. Okay, so how we can tell is the color is, there's no green. Okay, so you see there's some green here. There's no green here. Okay, no green. Also, the webbing. Let's zoom in. Come on, phone. Okay, the webbing is very wide. Okay, the wider the webbing, the riper it is. This webbing's a little tight. Okay, but the most important thing is the smell. Okay, smell that. Yeah, it smells really, really good. Okay, so this one smells, but not as strong as this one. So we're going to open this one today. And a lot of people want me to make what I eat in a day videos, but see, I don't edit my videos, so it's hard for me to do that. Okay, but let me just tell you what I'm going to eat today. So breakfast, I had 32 ounces of water. Now I'm going to have a cantaloupe. Okay, so before breakfast, I had water. Now I'm going to have a cantaloupe. And obviously, it's perfect. I'm really excited. Be careful when you scrape the seeds out. The sweetest part is right under the seeds. I do know people that make milk with these seeds. You can. I don't, but you can definitely do that. For lunch, I'm going to have this big bag of grapes. Okay. Of course, I tried them before I bought them. Big bag of grapes. Before dinner, I'm probably going to have a little smoothie. So about 4 bananas and strawberries, hemp seeds, water. And then for dinner, I'm going to have a giant salad. Personally, I know already my dressing, what it's going to be, because honestly, I don't have time to do a big shop. So what I got in the house is I got pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, garlic, mustard, lemon. That's going to be the dressing. That's my go-to dressing. Don't need any spices. Got the garlic. Tastes really good to me. If I had dill or basil, it would be even better. I like to put, or like parsley, but I don't have that right now. I'm working really, really hard on my book, so I'm not able to go shopping, okay, except for like the store that's right by my house. I do usually travel about an hour each way to get fruit, okay, sometimes up to 2 hours each way, and that is because I prioritize my health. And some of y'all act like you do, but you don't, because you refuse to shop anywhere else besides what's available, what's close to you. And that's a damn shame, because, you tell me that your body and your health and your weight and your healing is the most important thing to you, but you're not willing to take the time to prove it. So before you say something like, my number one goal in life right now is to lose weight, well, make sure your actions are showing that, okay? Make sure, because the truth is, guys, my number one goal right now is to finish my book. Okay, I have part 2 of Raw Vegan Excuses coming out on Saturday, and I've got to finish editing it, and it's quite a task. But I am committed to doing it, and I'm going to stay up all night even if I have to. But now that I'm in the habit of eating raw, this is easy for me. But if your number one goal is to lose weight and to eat raw, then you need to find the most amazing fruit on the planet where you live. So you need to go to Asian markets. You need to go to different places. You need to travel. You might need to drive over an hour. Okay? So just a heads up on that. Last thing. Oh, I have a challenge starting Saturday. So send me an email if you'd like to be part. It's totally free, and the prizes are epic, including all my books, including my course, including a free ticket to the next Raw Vegan Beauty Retreat. And finally, I got this on Amazon because of one of you guys recommended it. This is the 5-part salad mix. I got this for the apocalypse, but I feel like I want to try it now. So it's alfalfa, broccoli, daikon, mung bean, and green lentil. I never had green lentil sprouts. So yeah, I really want to try this. I might do it maybe after Saturday. I gotta focus. The only thing I can do right now is write. Eat fruit, be cute, and write. So I'm going to get back to writing. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, boo.